Refraction of light. Hello students, today you are going to learn about refraction of light. What is light? Light is a form of energy which gives us the sensation of sight. Because of light, yes, it is possible to see the nature. An optical medium is a substance through which light can travel. It may be a solid, liquid or gas. For example, glass, water, air. Yes, through this glass, water, air, light can travel. So, these are optical mediums. Next, some properties of light. Light travels in a straight line. That property we are saying here, rectilinear propagation of light. When light travels through different media, its speed changes. Light travels through different media. That means when light travels from air to glass, what happens? The speed of light changes. When light travels from air to water, there also the speed of light changes. Okay. Next, in denser medium, the speed of light decreases, while in a rarer medium, the speed of light increases. Yes. What is denser medium? If speed of light decreases, then that is denser medium. If the speed of light increases, then that medium is called rarer medium. To study a refraction of light, for that we are taking a concept that is ray. So what is ray? A ray is a straight line which represents the direction of flow of light energy. A ray of light is represented by a line with arrow on it. Yes, see here, optical medium, air, water, glass, diamond. The speed of light in air is what? 3 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Water 2.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Glass 2 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. Diamond 1.25 into 10 to the power of 8 meter per second. So air, the speed of light is more. So we can say it is rarer medium. When we are comparing air and water, the speed of light is less in water. So water is denser medium. Again, when we are comparing air and glass, glass is denser medium because speed of light is less. When we are comparing air and diamond, yes, diamond is denser medium, right? When we are comparing water and glass, yes, which one is denser medium? Glass. Why? Because speed of light is decreases here comparing water to glass, right? Okay. Next, what is refraction of light? The change in the direction of a ray of light when it travels from one medium to another medium is called refraction of light. What is the cause of refraction of light? Yes, who is responsible for this refraction of light? When light travels from one medium to another medium, what happens? Speed of light changes. Yes, change in speed of light when light travels from one medium to another medium is itself a cause of refraction of light. So medium 1, I am taking here air. Air is a medium 1. Next, medium 2, that one I am taking here one example, that is water. Now, yes, to separate the medium 1 and medium 2, that surface we are saying here interface. So what is interface? which separates the medium 1 and 2. A surface which separates the medium 1 and 2, that is interface. Yes, a perpendicular line. A line which is perpendicular to interface, that is normal. Now a ray of light travels from medium 1 to medium 2. Yes, this ray is incident ray. When it passes from one medium to another, that means air to glass, that ray is refracted ray. Next, the angle between normal and incident ray is called angle of incidence, and it is denoted by I. Next, the angle between normal and refracted ray is called angle of refraction. If there is no medium 2, then what happens? Then the incident ray, it travels as a straight path. This dotted line, it indicates that. Because of second medium, what happens? The light, it changes its path. Yes, how much it changes its path, that one we are finding by angle of deviation. Yes, where D is what? Angle of deviation. So what is angle of deviation? Yes, this is the difference between angle of incidence and angle of refraction. Refraction from rarer to denser medium. Yes, when light, it travels from rarer medium to denser medium, what happens? See, the refracted ray bends towards the normal, and angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction, right? And what happens here is the speed of light. Why it bends towards the normal? Because speed of light decreases. So what you observed here, when ray of light travels from rarer to denser medium, first refracted ray bends towards normal. Second, angle of incidence is greater than angle of refraction. Speed of light decreases. Angle of deviation is I minus R. Similarly, when light travels from denser to rarer medium, what happens? See here, when light travels from denser medium to rarer medium, speed of light increases and the refracted ray bends away from the normal. Angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction, right? So what you observed, when light travels from denser to rarer medium, refracted ray bends away from the normal. Angle of incidence is less than angle of refraction. Speed of light increases. Angle of deviation is R minus I. When light travels from one medium to another, frequency of light remains same, because it is a fundamental property of a wave. Yes, the source of light is not changed here. That's why the frequency of light remains same when light travels from one medium to another medium. So what quantity changes there? Yes, speed of light changes. When speed of light changes, wavelength of light also changes when it travels from one medium to another. Why? We know the relation V is equal to F lambda. Yes, speed of light is equal to frequency into wavelength. Frequency remains same. So when frequency remains same, so what remains? Speed of light changes. When speed of light changes, definitely wavelength of light also changes, right? So when light travels from one medium to another medium, which physical quantities changes? Speed of light and wavelength of light. Some questions what you learned in today's video.